Imagine you're about to unlock a powerful toolset for industrial automation. Installing the TIA v15.1 license key is your gateway. This process might seem daunting, but understanding its nuances can save you time and frustration. We're diving deep into the exact steps and critical parameters you need to know. First, the challenge: getting your license key installed correctly ensures your software runs smoothly without interruptions. The promise: by following this guide, you'll avoid common pitfalls and ensure a seamless setup. Listen carefully as we break down the entire process, from start to finish, with no steps held back. The Automation License Manager, or ALM, is your central hub for managing software licenses in the Siemens automation ecosystem. Think of it as the control tower that ensures all your licenses are properly allocated and activated. When you install TIA v15.1, ALM is automatically installed alongside it. This tool is crucial because it handles the transfer of licenses from your USB dongle to your computer's hidden, system-protected folder. It's important to note that this folder is not visible to you, reinforcing the necessity of using ALM for any license management tasks. You have the flexibility to transfer your license before, during, or after the installation of the development system, but if it's your first installation, you must install the system software first to get ALM on your machine. Personally, I recommend transferring the license post-installation to ensure all software packages are correctly installed and tested. Remember, even without the dongle, you have 21 days of full functionality to test your setup. Keep the dongle safe and away from your PC until it's time to transfer the license using ALM. To ensure a smooth license key transfer, start by installing the necessary software components. Begin with the installation of Step 7 in PluxSim. During this process, you'll encounter a prompt asking if you want to transfer the license. It's crucial to note that if this is your first installation, the Automation License Manager, ALM, won't be present on your system yet. Therefore, transferring the license at this stage isn't possible. It's a best practice to complete the installation of all development system packages before initiating the license transfer. Once all software is installed, launch ALM. Insert your USB key when prompted, and the license will be transferred to your hard drive. Remember, the licenses are stored in a hidden, system-level folder created by ALM, so you won't see them in your file explorer. This approach not only streamlines the installation process but also ensures that all components are correctly configured before the license is activated. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of transferring your license key using the Automation License Manager, or ALM. First, ensure your USB dongle is ready. You have the flexibility to transfer the license before, during, or after installing the development system. If you're performing a fresh installation, ALM won't be available until you've installed the system software. During installation, you'll be prompted to transfer the license. If you choose yes, insert your dongle, and the license will be transferred to your hard drive. Personally, I prefer transferring the license post-installation. Once all packages are installed, launch ALM, insert your dongle, and proceed with the transfer. Remember, the licenses are stored in a hidden, system folder created by ALM, so you won't see it in your file explorer. Also, it's wise to test your programs for a few days before transferring the license, just in case of any issues. And here's a pro tip: if something goes wrong, a simple phone call can restore your license. Now that you've successfully transferred your license using Automation License Manager, let's discuss best practices for post-installation management. First, always keep a backup of your license key in a secure location. This ensures you can quickly recover if something goes wrong. Next, periodically check for updates to Automation License Manager itself. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve functionality or fix bugs. To do this, open Automation License Manager, navigate to the Help menu, and select Check for Updates. Additionally, be aware of the trial period limitations. If you installed the software without immediately transferring the license, you have 21 days of full functionality. Use this time to thoroughly test your setup. Finally, If you encounter issues, such as error codes or failed transfers, consult the official documentation or community forums for troubleshooting steps. Remember, proper license management not only ensures compliance but also optimizes your system's performance. One of the most common pitfalls is attempting to transfer the license before installing the Automation License Manager, which is a critical error. Remember, ALM must be installed first. Another frequent issue is misplacing the USB key. Keep it secure but accessible. If ALM doesn't recognize your USB key, ensure the drivers are up to date and the key is correctly inserted. For error code 103, this typically indicates a network issue. Verify your internet connection and firewall settings. If you encounter error 201, it usually means there's a conflict with existing licenses. You may need to deactivate old licenses before activating new ones. Lastly, if ALM crashes during the transfer, try running it as an administrator and ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. These troubleshooting steps will help you navigate common installation challenges smoothly.